Hi everyone, let's see how you can uninstall the KB5072033 update from Windows 11. To get started, simply go to your Windows settings, then go to Windows Update, then click on Update History, then scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. From here, locate the update and click on Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and wait for the uninstallation process to finish. Once done, it will ask you to restart. Simply click on Restart Now. In the next method, search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. In the CMD window, paste this command from the video description and uninstall it. I am getting this message because I have already uninstalled the update from my PC. Once done, simply restart your computer and it's done. After restart, go to your Windows settings, then go to Windows Update, and from here uncheck this option of get the latest updates as soon as they are available. This will restrict the installation of the update, so wait for a stable update to get released and then install the update. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.